Here's how to create this crazy trending AI video effect for your Instagram Reels and TikToks. Let's go. Film yourself posing around and swiping the camera. Open the Video Leap app and select this video. Hit continue to open the project, and now scroll to where you want the AI effect to start. Select the clip and hit this icon here to split the clips. Scroll ahead and keep creating splits where you want the new AI effect to come in. Once you're done, select the second sequence of those splits that you've created, hit AI effects, choose AI anime, and now go ahead and choose any of these many vibes. I like to start with the football one, and boom, 4 variants are created. I'll choose the 4th one, and now it's magically adding it to the clip. Do the same thing with the next sequence, hitting AI effects, anime, and now choosing another vibe. Again, it's creating 4 variants. I'll choose the second one here and add it to my clip. Do this to all the sequences except the first and the last one, and you'll end up with something like this. Now export the video, save to device, and that's how easy it is.
How to do this. Film the first clip and drop your product. For the second clip, throw it in the air, catch it, and then drop it again. Repeat it as many times as you wish. I did 3 times, and then open all of the clips in CapCut. Select the first clip and move to the point right after you drop the product. Then press on this button here to add a keyframe. Go a little bit further when the product is out of the frame and drag your video up. And then trim off the rest of the clip. Okay, now select your second clip and go to Overlay. Drag it over the first clip and find the spot just before the product comes down. Now add a keyframe at the same spot as in the first clip. But this time drag the video down. Then go to the end of the first clip and drag the video up again. And then you can repeat those steps for the third video, and then your video should look like this. If you want to learn more, join my free workshop. Just comment, learn. How to do this. Start by filming yourself at the wall, walk forward and pretend to get hit. Keep recording the background once you're finished. Then film a video like this of your hand. In CapCut, trim the beginning of the first clip so it starts with you walking. And trim the end to where you pretend to get hit. After that should be the clip of just the background. Now duplicate the first clip and drag it all the way to the end. Extend the beginning so the clip starts with you at the wall. Now tap on freeze and this will create an image of our video. With the freeze frame selected, go to remove background and hit auto removal. Now the background is removed and we can overlay this clip. Align it with the background clip and add a keyframe. Then go back in the timeline just a little bit and make yourself bigger. This will add another keyframe. Then just shorten the background clip and the overlay. Almost done. Now just add the clip of your hand, remove the background and overlay it. And that's it. To make it even better, you can add motion blur and a shake effect. Comment masterclass if you want to learn more.
Put your phone on a tripod and film yourself walking. Do the exact same thing in several different outfits. Now open these clips in the CapCut app. In the first clip, scroll to right where you set your foot, hit split right here and delete the back part. Scroll to the same point in the second clip and hit split, deleting the front part. It now looks like this. For the second clip, hit speed, normal, and pull it all the way down to 0.1. Make it smoother and you have a good slow-mo. To make the outfit flying from the side, hit full screen and take a screenshot. Open that in the photo room app. It will remove the background. Now you can select blur, hit motion, and boost that up. Back in CapCut, hit overlay, add overlay, and now choose this image that we have just created. Resize it so it fits the beginning of the clip and create a keyframe right here. Then scroll towards the beginning and drag the image out to the left. It will now fly in from the left. Do that with all the other outfits, export the video, and that's it.
How to do this. Film yourself how you snatch your product out of the frame. Then another video of just your hand holding the phone with a green screen. In CapCut, choose the green screen clip and overlay it. Then select it and go to remove background. Choose chroma key and select the green color. Now you can resize the clip so the product becomes visible. Now I select my first clip with the perfume and duplicate it. Now with the copy selected, I will tap on overlay and drag it over my 2 clips. Then I will go to remove background and choose auto removal. If you want to learn more, comment masterclass.
Find a spot with a flat horizon and turn your phone to 60 frames. Film yourself climbing up on a rail and then jump off as high as you can. To create the moving cloud clip, we want to open up CapCut, create a new project, and select random cloud photos from Google. Make sure to shorten the clips to around 0.1 seconds. Do that for all the clips, and then I change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Once we fit the images, it's going to look like this, and we can export the video. Next, we want to open the clip of ourselves in the CapCut app, and then scroll to right when we're jumping off. Here we want to hit split and then scroll forward to right before we land, and again hit split here. Now take that middle part, select speed, normal, and pull it all the way down to 0.1, make the quality better, and we have a perfect slow motion jump. Next we hit overlay and select the cloud clip that we've just created. You want to fit this in the upper edges of the frame, and then we want to hit mask. Select horizontal, line the mask up with the horizon and fade it out a little bit. Next, select the jump clip and duplicate it. Select that copy clip and hit overlay. This will drag it to a second layer that we will now pull under the original. Next, hit remove background auto removal and it will cut you out perfectly. Next, all you have to do is export the video and you get this.